We'll demonstrate fern stitch. It's somewhat similar to straight stitch method. Also a very simple stitch. Let me demonstrate. Come up from top line end. Take down here at middle crossing point. Then return to top of middle line and come up. Again, return to middle point here and take down. Then come up from lower line. Again, return to center point and take down. This fern stitch is complete. Come up from top. Take down at middle point. Then come up from middle line. Return to middle point and take down. Then come up below. Return to middle point and take down. Stitch 2 diagonal lines above and below, combined with middle vertical line. Will form a fern stitch. This stitch is very simple, very suitable for beginners to learn. Stitched shape also very like leaf. I usually use it to stitch some leaf veins or delicate leaf clusters. Stitched effect will be very vivid and lifelike. Take down. Let's see the finished effect.